y'all, so we just wanted to go to IKEA and check out IKEA. Now these two, Blue and Sid, they're too easy. I like to mess with each other, so yeah, this is them right here acting as in front of IKEA. But yeah, we wanted to just go walk, get our exercising on, and just check out and see what IKEA had. See if they had anything new, and get some ideas. That's one thing that we like to come to IKEA for, y'all, because I love the fact that they have examples. And yeah, this is me doing my dance in the escalator, being goofy old me, y'all. Can people have joy in life? Can people have joy in life? Nope. That's a cute little couch over there. Sid, I see these chairs a lot, but it seems so low. Look. Look, Sid. Oh. Like this one right here? Yeah. See? Y'all, I haven't been to IKEA in a minute, so this is like, I haven't probably been in like a year or so. But they used to have it where they would have like studios, like 250 square feet, 450 square feet. And then they would show the whole studio and really have it really cute and organized and neat. Y'all, IKEA, what are you guys doing? I went this time and it was not like that. You guys took all that away. This time they just had rooms, guys, but it wasn't like a whole design. It was just like, oh, here's a bedroom. Oh, here's a kitchen. And this couch right here, y'all, was really cute. It was comfortable and cute. Side note, y'all, but that couch was cute, but it was like $1,600, y'all. I don't know about $1,600. It wasn't that cute. 1,600. But anyways, back to what I was saying. They had. Take a picture of the cord. It wasn't there for me this time, IKEA. Y'all wasn't there this time. I think you guys need to reboot what you guys had. You go back to what was working. A lot of the rooms that we walked into was. Do you have someone to record you? A lot of the rooms was not. It was not up to par. Like, it had a lot of things in there. This was actually cute though. I love that couch. That couch was cute. Let's see what else in here. And this one was, it's pretty decent. But some of the rooms are like this here, y'all. And it was just a tons of stuff on the table. Didn't make sense. I think that they could have did that little couch over there differently. Look at it. It was just too much going on in this room. It's too many things on the shelves, and it just wasn't there for me this time, IKEA. Y'all, I need y'all to do a little more better, y'all. Go to the yellow couch chair, because it's my vibe. This baby right here. $149, not bad. Not bad, y'all. $149. Not bad. And I used to love looking at this one here. This yellow chair, y'all. It's $2.99. So cute. This velvet green one is kind of cute. I like the backsplash. It's cute. That pop. That's cute. How about we done? I think they didn't design the shelves right. They put too much stuff on the shelves. Too much stuff. Yeah, whoever designing it this time isn't really hitting it for me. I think it's too much stuff up there, y'all. Sweet cakes. Too much. Who designed this IKEA today? Somebody messing up. Yeah, I always wanted one of these shelves, and I still haven't gotten one yet. I have to get one soon. But I love the point of these little cubby holes, cubby shelves, whatever you want to call them. But that one I just pulled out was $20, y'all. So I was calculating you're gonna end up spending about $200 for those little basket shells. I'm sure you can find something cheaper somewhere else, but that was really cute. Just if you want to just get something where you don't have to pay all shop tons of places, just go one-stop shop. You can get that there. I believe that was really reasonable.
Yeah, really, really. Do you need the discos? This reminds me of our table.
That's our table, yeah. This is a nice one, too.
I kind of like these. I kind of miss this table.
Yeah, that table was super cute, y'all. We did like that table.
If they ever move and
really
then
cute. If I ever get another table or have a bigger space again, I will definitely get one of those tables again.
Kind of like we'll figure it out somewhere.
Double kitchens?
Yeah. Could just be an option. You know.
Come on, IKEA. You gotta look at. You saw that couch the way it was.
Open up like that. Cute little walk-in closet. I like this velvet bed. IKEA, what? IKEA, y'all trying to mess it up. What's going on here? Kind of sloppy, no damn. Okay, this is a cute little outside patio area they're trying to portray. Okay. Kind of like this.
Oh, hello. Welcome to my home. Rosie in the kitchen. What we cooking today, y'all? So, today on Healthy Cooking, we're gonna cook something magnificent for you.
Someone likes yellow. It's a jungle, a mighty jungle. The lions sleep tonight.
All right, guys, so of course when you make it that lower level, you know you're almost done with IKEA. But of course they have a lot of little knickknacks on sale, like this glass cup, 99 cents. Then they have a sign over here saying $5 for some things that you really don't need, but you may want to grab just in case. So yeah, this is the area where you come to where you end up picking something up, y'all, because yes, we did. We went and picked something up. That's what we did. Cindy made note that we needed some wine glasses because our last little wine glass broke and we didn't have any more. So what did we end up getting? 4 wine glasses, y'all. And no, we're not big wine drinkers, but hey, you gotta have at least 4, y'all, right?
See, these are cute. Cute booze. Oh, probably need one of these. Scrub the dishes. Our famous mirrors that we love, that we got, guys. Love those mirrors. Mirror, mirror, mirror on the wall. Live plants. How much is this snake plant, y'all? Yeah, it's $15.99
Don't we have one of those?
in the bathroom. It died at first, and then it's coming back. I mean, it's good now.
I like that. You know that app you see that you can tell you like what's wrong with your plants?
Yeah.
But you have to pay for it.
But I feel like Home Depot may have the same plants for a little cheaper. Go check out those ones over there that look good. Oh, these are pretty. Look how gorgeous they look. $10, not bad. I think that one is cool. This is what we got, y'all. Go the whole IKEA thing and that one for a box of glasses. And Sydney always says she needs everything, but she needs a job. That's what she needs.
Not too much. Not too much.
But yeah, we just came here for some wine glasses, I guess. Really, we didn't come for nothing, just to look.
And of course, y'all, this is how they get you. They have these nice little reasonable prices for these snacks. So we had to get a vanilla yogurt. Y'all, it was pretty reasonable. I think it was about $1.75. Yep, there it goes, guys, $1.75. So of course, each of us had to get a frozen yogurt.
I want one too.
Then we can just go back and put it in there.
Ask that if you want one.
Do you want one?
Yogurt?
Look for your breast to go like that.
I know. I love it. It's okay.
Okay, put it on.
Don't.
Yeah, stop.
Don't.
It's not funny.
Anything else?
So we're sitting here, guys. We're just people watching as they walk by. Thanks, shout out to IKEA for having tables and chairs in the eating area so we can just sit and eat our food and just people watch, y'all. So that's what we did and had a couple of laughs.